Hello, friends! Today I will take you to my picnic party, but first, don't skip, please, and subscribe.
Mary's picnic party. Mary planned a picnic day with yummy snacks and games to play. Yay! She packed her basket full of treats and laid out soft and cozy sheets. She called her friends with joy and cheer. Let's have a picnic, gather near. Out came Bunny with the bow, hopping fast with cheeks aglow. Kitty purred and brought a ball, wearing a hat that looked so tall. Puppy barked, I brought the jam, with wiggly tail and little pram. Parrot flew with cookies sweet, singing songs with dancing feet. Hamster rolled in her spinning wheel, bringing cheese and orange peel. Mary smiled, let's eat and play under the sun on this happy day. They played some tag and hide and seek, then shared a chocolate cherry cake. The picnic buzzed with love and cheer, with all her cute pet friends so near. As stars peeked out from skies above, they sang a song of joy and love. Friends and fun about the path, playing games and picnic flair, snacks and smiles, tails that wag. Let's pack it all in a picnic bag.
I hope you enjoyed, but did you like and subscribe?